Hello friends, welcome to my famous, well-known, creative, informative and popular unique educational channel to watch more creative videos on machine learning using Streamlit. As we have gone through many videos on Streamlit and using Python such as face recognition using Streamlit also and face recognition using Python also. Then we have seen facial emotion recognition using Streamlit. Then we have seen facial emotion recognition using Python. Then we have seen face detection using Streamlit, face detection using Python. Then we have seen attendance system using Streamlit, attendance system using Python. And many more creative videos on Streamlit and Python. Today's video is really interesting, creative and informative. It is all about face recognition using Streamlit in different style. So let us go through the program code. First of all, we will go through the main file vim Streamlit. This is the main program. It is little bit. Now I will show you the faces. Face recognition, face recognition, and first of all I will show you the databases. This is the name of, these are the Ajay Baga. This is the Dan. All of you know the Prime Minister of India Narendra Modi images are there. These are the images. I want to recognize these images. Then Joe Butler, these are the faces I want to recognize. Now what I will do, I will execute the program. Yes. Now face recognition app. Now I will upload the photo in which all these persons images are there. Now we will upload recent sample image. Okay. So these are the person. Narendra Modi is there, then this person is there, this and this person. Now here it is telling the total face detected are 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The known person recognized are 4. Because in database these images are stored, that's why they are recognized, and unknown recognized is 1. Then Joe Biden is recognized, obviously Narendra Modi is recognized, then Ajay Banga is recognized, and this is also recognized civilly, and this person is not recognized because his image is not found. So I successfully done with face recognition using Python Streamlit. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more creative videos on Streamlit, Python, machine learning, attendance system, if possible, Keras, TensorFlow, then interesting videos on support vector machine, then Skylon Seaborn library used for graphical representation, and CNN model, and many more videos on Python, and if possible videos on React, JS, non-stack, full stack and full stack using Python, and many more videos on MongoDB. So keep watching my videos of Python machine learning Streamlit on youtube.com. Thanks for watching. We can see here it is detected name Ajay Narendra Modi, and these images are detected from the images.